right heroes could make all the difference. Round one, go!
Open your eyes. Reality is but an magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting. Usually I create
We'll
my
be coming in
own...
30 seconds. Stay strong.
I could sense that you wish to speak to me, Miss Lee. How may I be of service?
You, wouldn't happen to know any spells to cure a baby dragon's rumbly tummy, would you?
I will have to consult the Book of the Vishant, but I am certain I can find something.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
You want saving the world card? Try making people
I am strengthening for battle.
Trouble has arrived.
More tentacles than Gargantos himself.
Long-range shooter. Smart.
Science and magic combined. Science and magic combined.
Scan initiated. Performance map detected. Initiating surveillance mode. Martial law in effect. No unauthorized entry.
More tentacles than Gargantos himself. I am strengthening for battle.
I hurt! Help me out!
Scan initiated. Vigilance activated. Initiating surveillance mode. Martial law in effect. No unauthorized entry.
Problem solved.
Good medicine.
That was quite a show.
Time for a blow!
You're free.
Only 60 seconds left.
Power from the one below all.
I become
Initiating surveillance mode. Martial law in effect.
Down to 30 seconds. seconds! The current score is 0-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
I hate to admit it, but science alone might not get us through this one.
Things must be dire if you're willing to factor magic as a possible solution.
I'm willing to explore any advantages we have available, Stephen.
And it's a good thing I happen to have a few up my sleeve.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Usually I create my
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
You expecting Peter Parker? Please.
By the hoary hosts of Vulcan.
This is officially a
That's
what we needed.
Final score 1-2-0. Another epic victory! Big win!
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic and science in perfect unison.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Everybody's playing it. My mom knows about it. My daddy.
Aurora, I sense a strong magical lineage within you.
There were indeed witches and mages among my ancestors, Stephen.
But I just want her to know that what she's missing.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
I love the smell of superhero team-based PvP combat in the morning.
They've
More
spotted us!
powerful yet.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. They captured the mission area!
Seraphim, I return. Such newfound power. Our enemies are near. Beware, a sniper! By the hoary hosts of Oak!
Double KO!
The Sorcerer Supreme returns.
Speed is everything!
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
I am strengthened for battle. See there? The sniper! Our enemies are near. Precision combined. The one below all.
What a difference!
Time for life energy, yeah!
Magic and science in perfect unison.
Rated T!
This should be interesting.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
3, 2, 1, blast off!
What are you tracking now, Death? Clearly a master of reconnaissance. Or chaos. Possibly both.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Somewhere in the world is a little girl like I once was. I fight for her.
Such newfound power.
Poorly hidden.
Enemy in front of us!
Beware, a sniper.
Us against the world!
Science and magic combined.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. Hunted it down!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Incoming! Ouch! That's so cold! They captured the mission area!
Supreme returns.
Control seized!
Let's end this quick.
What armor is this?
Yes, of course.
Someone's sniping at us!
Science and magic combined.
Damage sustained. Need assistant tactical. Take them down. Must be a
Beware. Good medicine.
This is the place to watch.
What are you aiming at?
Fire mode. You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
Science and magic combined.
Attention, please.
Perfect precision.
I am strengthened. Science and magic combined.
Glory's almost yours. Control lost.
Science and magic combined. The Sorcerer Supreme lives
nothing.
once more.
Ride the wind.
I'm ready. Beware of the Kumiho.
More powerful yet. Our enemies are near.
Our team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Hoary hosts of Hulk.
Control seized. Your life was Cheer up, little ones.
By the eye of Agamotto! Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Tiger Division has no information on you in our files, Miss Parker. Care to explain?
Easy. It's because I'm not from your reality, Director Han.
Ah, you hail from another timeline. That makes much more sense.
Well, let's be honest. The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
When will these madmen learn that reality isn't their plaything?
Enemy in front of us. Good medicine.
Us against the world! Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. We captured the mission area!
Supreme returns.
Never miss!
Whoever they are, they don't look friendly.
Full volley!
Need that boost. Hands
Double
are shaking
KO.
again. Focus.
Their team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
I'm opening a portal. A shortcut through space.
Fire mode!
By the hoary host.
They've almost got it!
Enemy in front.
Control seized! Another one for us! Well, you can't expect to win them all. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes.
Round one,
Magic and
go!
science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
He'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
I was honored to receive your invitation to the gala, Emma.
Remember, it is a formal affair, Namor. Shall I see you wearing a shirt?
If that is what is expected of me, of course.
How disappointing.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Our enemies are near.
You surface dwellers can't resist destroying yourselves.
Good medicine.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Can someone exterminate these robotic pests? Keep that up, Namor.
Too much damage!
We're finding our groove.
Good medicine.
He's stuck them in their tracks. There they are.
Science and magic combined.
These robotic spiders
A nice deep freeze.
By the shades of the seraphim, I return.
There they are. I like this cold. Enemy core detonated!
Good medicine. By the hoary hosts of hope. By the eye of Agamotto. Of course you need help.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Still a chance to stop them.
The doctor is in.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Now I see them.
It's Spider time!
Science and magic combined.
Anyone willing to help? A nice deep freeze.
Supreme lives once more.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
I am strengthened for battle. I have not seen so much.
Against the world!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Julia, Shigan! Shields up! From the skies at sea!
Science and magic combined!
Now's the part where you thank me. Why bother?
Good medicine!
Nothing can truly harm me.
Stop them in their tracks!
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I am strengthened for battle. Science and magic combined!
A nice deep freeze.
These mechanical rats are no more. By the hoary hosts of Hulk! Good medicine!
A little help, please. Shields up. Only 60 seconds left. Nice work, Namor. But don't let it
Look who's here.
Such pain! But how?
Science and magic
30 seconds.
hands are shaking again.
Shigan!
Focus.
It's now or never. Stop them. The final 10 seconds. Better stop that vehicle. No winner yet. Going to overtime. Give them another inch, or else. I am ready.
Hands are shaking again. Focus.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
The current score is 0-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. Magic and science in perfect unison. This should be interesting.
Seconds before you attack. Get ready. to see Talokan.
I have brought part of it to the surface.
You did?
You might be surprised where.
Need some ranged firepower.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Well, this is a different kind of friendly neighborhood.
I am strengthened for
Help get that vehicle to its destination!
Castle went down fighting. Good medicine. By the shades of the Seraphim, I return.
Get that vehicle moving again!
Castle went down to the Weaver. Good medicine. Power from one below all. I have unfinished business here.
Get that vehicle moving again! Clearly you needed some help. Stay away from the net. Follow the hero. I'm hurt.
Power from one below.
Only 60 seconds left.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
I am ready to put on a show!
The doctor is in, my son.
Get that vehicle moving again!
I am strengthened for battle.
Down to 30 seconds! Against the world! The final 10 seconds! No winner yet. Go the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
These are sounds I never heard before. Rock on, spiders. Need some help.
Good medicine.
You made a bad choice. Namor will guide you safely to the shrine.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do something about that rift soon. Hopefully.
Enemy in front of us.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
I like the cold.
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Flame shield!
I'm not afraid of your damage.
I am
Only
straight.
60 seconds left. Get that vehicle moving again.
These mechanical arachnids are no more.
On your toes. Here they come.
A nice deep freeze.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Don't mess with the amazing Spider-Man!
Down to 30 seconds. Vehicle reach the checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Us against the world!
By the eye of Agamotto!
Yes! Another hit for Luna Snow.
Namor will guide you safely to the shrine.
Only 60 seconds left.
Anyone willing to help? More vulnerable than ever.
I am strengthened for battle.
Shields up.
These mechanical arachnids are no more. Good riddance to bad spiders.
Nothing like the got you covered.
Life and destiny
But it's amazing.
Down to 30 seconds.
I am trying! Science and magic combined.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way. Final 10 seconds. No winner yet. Going to overtime. 3. Well, you can't expect